Steven. I just had my first consultation at Vera Clinic.
Pumped to get it done. I'm excited to see what my hairline looks like after it's all proceeded.
So the consultation phase was really seamless. I thought the doctor was very professional. We had a good conversation about, what to expect. They answered all medical questions. Then we proceeded onward to draw the hairline, which I was very happy with so far. And so very excited to see what the hairline turns out like. And thus far, the whole staff has been really great. So I'm very excited.
Let's go.
Yeah.
All right.
So just finished off with the surgery. It went fairly well. Everyone in the team explained everything as we went along. Very comforting. The staff was there the whole time with me and kind of walked me through it. For anyone that's hesitating, about maybe a lot of pain or whatnot, don't worry about it. It's really not that bad, and it's well worth it. So if you're on the fence, please definitely recommend it. Go for it.
Hi, this is Steven again. I just finished my procedure. Everything went really well. Couldn't be more happier. Looking forward to see the results. The staff here is beautiful. It's a beautiful vicinity. Again, just looking forward for the results down the line. Go Vera.
Go Vera for sure. All right, brother. See you tomorrow.
So day 2, had the surgery yesterday. It went fairly well. Was able to come back, relax, have some nice breakfast this morning. Beautiful hotel here. Really enjoying it. 5-star hotel. So excited to get the hair washed today and move on going forward. So
again, it's Steven again, coming back to day 2. We're at this beautiful hotel, recovering pretty good. I'm going back to Vera to get our oxy treatment and the laser therapy. I'm looking forward to getting back to this hotel again and just relaxing.
See you at the clinic.
We are from Massachusetts, Charlton, Massachusetts. So my profession, I'm a physician assistant in the United States, and I specialize in people with kidney disease.
I'm a UPS driver. Help deliver people's goods every day and make them happy.
Expectations coming in, a little nervous, and I wasn't really sure what to expect. I was hopeful that it was going to be a great experience, and yeah, they far exceeded my expectations.
I mean, I personally think it's 10 out of 10. I mean, I don't know. I came in expecting I was gonna be a baby screaming, squealing. I mean, I took it, I guess, like a champ. I didn't move too much. No, everything was good. It was very smooth. They told us what we're gonna do from step 1 to step 10. I mean, I'm very happy. Like I said, I was the one that expected to chicken out of this, and you know what I mean. I'm very, very happy.
Very detailed instructions what to do on a daily basis, as far as washing the donor area and the grafted area, and going through what the expectations are going to be, leading up to the removal of the scabs, and what to expect within that time frame, and what recommended products to utilize during that time period.
Actually, your lines are looks very good. So
thank you.
What about it?
Yeah.
Did you check last time?
Yeah. Today's the first day though that we actually had everything off, so now we can take a good look at it. But to that point, even when we first came in, the doctor who drew the line, I mean, that was another comforting thing, that they actually asked about our input too. What do you feel about this line? Remember, we have to try to recreate a natural hairline. So that's a lot of things that people who come in may not understand that needs to be done. Because if you just draw a straight line, right, over time, it may not look as natural. So these are things that you learn and you get educated on when you come here, which was a great experience for me. But yeah, I like the line, I like how it looks. And I'm hopeful that as time goes on, the hair density and everything starts to show and it looks great.
It is so important. You have to be satisfied totally.
Right.
Because it is, you know, irreversible, you know.
I mean, you want it to look natural and feel natural at the end of the day, you know. I mean, we're all getting older, but like, you know what I mean? Like, I think as natural as it's gonna look for us, you know what I mean? Like, do I want a line down to my eyebrows? I mean, yeah, if I was 10 years old, maybe, but like, you know what I mean? I feel like it's gonna look natural. I mean, I'm very happy, excited.
Everything, the lobby was beautiful when we first walked in, nice and clean, you know, and like we said, the staff was excellent, and even going into the operating room, even, you know, the cleaning area here, every bit of this place is very clean. So if there's any hesitancy about the cleanliness, it's not something you have to worry about.
It looks clean to me, man. I'm not even sneezing in here. You know, I'm allergic to dust. So if I'm not sneezing, it's a very good place to come to.
Right. I couldn't recommend this place more. It really is a fantastic place, regardless of where you're coming from. You know, every country has, you know, their own hair transplant clinics as well. But there's a reason why Turkey is the leading kind of forefront people with hair transplants. It's because they do a great job. They're on the forefront of new technological advances, and yeah, so yeah, Vera Clinic is right there. So
same way, bring people in here, make them go out looking beautiful. I mean, you can't beat that. You know what I mean?
I'm kind of well versed with hyperbaric chamber therapy and its utilization in athletes, and also regenerative, you know, procedures. So it makes sense that it will be utilized for hair, you know, after you get a transplant. One of my favorite people here was the doctor that we met there. Hassan.
Hassan,
what a personality! Great guy, very knowledgeable. Went through everything, and I was very happy. He had talk about smile. This guy had a big smile, and through the whole process, walked us through, let us know, you know, the safety behind it, and kind of, you know, what it is scientifically. So great guy. Yeah.
He's a unique guy, and this is a unique.
He's 90 years old. He's very unique.
That's what he said. By the way, he said, yes, I utilize my own oxygen, and that's why I look so good. I'm 90 years old. It's cool in LA, yeah. Come to Vera Clinic, wonderful clinic. They'll take great care of you and get your hairline back.
Yes, sir. Get it done. Go Vera.